the truck area.
What are we doing today, Tanner?
I guess we're just driving around looking for trucks.
And what do you do with the trucks?
I go beep beep.
You do the arm like that, and then sometimes they honk?
Yes.
Oh, I see another truck coming from way in the back behind us. I don't know if they're going to catch up. We'll see. It's on this side, and I can't get over there to make him do it. The other one.
Oh, that was not the right kind of garbage truck. That's not the right kind.
No. The one that's passing on this side?
Because you said garbage truck.
Yeah, but look at that one right there. It's going by.
The new one. Now have to be the old-timey ones. The old-timey garbage truck.
That one over there, because he keeps going all over, and he goes into the other lanes, and then he's going super slow, and then he goes super fast.
He's drunk or something. He's drunk.
Or he's just distracted. Sometimes people do distractive driving. So this guy's just staying in this lane, and we can't get on the side where you can say boop boop to him. Let's see what this...
Of course, the trucks always head this way.
Yeah. I wonder why the trucks always head this way. I wonder why. UPS. Okay, now I can try to get over.
That's a UPS van.
It is a UPS van. Most of them are UPS vans. Sometimes there's a big UPS truck. Okay, here I
That's what I
go.
was trying to tell you. That was a UPS truck. In case you're thinking that was
Okay,
not.
I'm gonna try to get all the way over here. Get next to him. Don't get over here, dude. Don't get over here yet. Don't get over here. Oh, okay. Don't kill us. Oh, it's loud in my ears. Yay! He did it! 2 out of 2, Tanner! Good job!
I got 2 trucks. Yahoo!
Yay!
All the trucks I've gotten today.
Yeah! 2 out of 2.
I got 3 honks today. 3 of them.
3 honks already?
Yes.
Oh, I only remember 2. Where was the other one?
And then somewhere not on the highway. I was like an American Center or something.
Oh, I don't remember for some reason. But since this drive right now, there's just 2. Since right now we've started counting. You've tried 2, and 2 have honked.
Yo, I got them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. That's what's the best for trucks.
Yeah.
That's what's the best.
Beep beep. Lip time. All right.
And also, like they're happy because they're remembering the old days, and it kind of makes them happy. Because they're like thinking about how new their trucks are, and they like to remember those days because these days are a lot better. They're a lot better.
Yeah.
Yeah, and these times are a lot better. Remember in the olden days there was not a lot of the same stuff there is now.
Yeah.
That's fun stuff, and that's kind of like also like a celebration, saying like, remember the olden days, baby. That's like another reason to do that.
Yeah. Good old days.
Baby! And that's, I got, look at my cabin get up. Look at what's over on that side of the highway.
Oh, on that other side?
Let's do it. Beep beep. And let's go beep beep. I do.
Yeah.
And let's say that. Beep beep.
Oh, I
do.
see some trucks coming up. I'll see if I can catch up to them.
No, that's one that I've done.
No, these are all new. Ooh, major accident. Expect delay. Oh, one truck exited already, so I can't get him.
I didn't even see that one. He must have already been exiting.
Yeah, he just went off that ramp right there.
If it is. Come on, and Ford truck, get over.
We'll get them somehow. I'm trying to get up to this one, and then I'll slow down because there'll be traffic. Oh, he's getting off.
We could get him, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, there's traffic because there was a major accident, it says.
I thought you said he was exiting.
I thought he was, but then he didn't get off right there. He kept going. All right, here we go. No luck with this one? Oh yes, I heard it. Let's see.
What?
Truck is gonna come by right about now. Look behind you. You can try that one. I don't know if he'll do it in here or not.
You will not.
You can try.
I'm not going to.
Okay. Stuck in traffic. We're zooming the hunt for big trucks. We have our eye on this one, but while we're in traffic, it's not a good idea to have them honking. Might start a riot. I found a bird.
Might start a riot.
What kind of bird is that? Is that a hawk? I think it is. Ooh, some birds flying around him too. Yeah. That's a big old hawk.
The big old hawk.
Yeah. A big hawk. Not a honk. Beep, beep. A hawk. See him right there? Dot in the rear view. Start looking for birds in your area. You'll be amazed at how much like natural happenings are going on around you, especially birds. And then like everybody else's videos, I'm seeing people pointing out birds and talking to birds, and I just did that bird video. And now we're doing a truck one. Beep, beep. Past the major accident and back on the road looking for big trucks that Tanner can say hi to.
Almost going. There! Dude! 60. Now I was ready for trucks again.
Yep, we're ready. Ready for trucks.
In a traffic jam for a minute.
Are you in there? Can you see yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
We're in a traffic jam. And that took a little bit to get through.
It did.
Haven't been in one of those in a while. A traffic jam.
It was a pretty short one, at least.
Yes, thank God, because I hate long traffic jams.
Me too.
Those are the worst. No.
Oh goodness, somebody's really in a hurry behind us.
Oh my gosh!
They're like, I need to go around you right now.
I need to take someone to the ER.
There they go. You see them
Probably.
going zoom zoom?
Probably.
Oh no, not another traffic jam coming up.
Another traffic jam. No!
Look like a
I
lot.
could be just traffic. I could just be a traffic and not a traffic jam. Traffic jam is when there's lots of cars in every lane and you have no way to exit.
Yes. I look like that was gonna happen up there, but it's not. Ooh, but those cars are going so fast. They're about ready to have another wreck.
Bumper the
It
bumper
says,
traffic.
slow down. You're already in Texas. Slow down. You're already in Texas. Like
Well, they say
everybody's in a hurry to get here. Texas is a mighty fine place.
Yeah,
to
like
live.
slow down. You're already in Texas. Like what the heck?
Yeah, that's what the sign said.
Like there's a truck right there.
Kind of see if that's a truck or not.
Yeah, I think it is. What might be a van.
I think I see a truck in front of us now. That gold one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what I saw, the gold one.
But that KLIM one might be one too.
That kind of looks like a van to me.
I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna do mine down a little bit so that it won't hurt my ears when you roll it down. Try this one.
That's a truck.
All right. Yay!
Yeah, I got all the trucks. Yahoo!
Yeah.
All of them today.
It's a happy day.
It's a good day to get all the trucks.
Yeah.
We're turning out to be one of our best days in a long time. This is.
This is. It's been just such a happy, great day. Lots of things that have been accomplished.
And then tonight, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a fun night
Why?
with Unfiltered.
Ooh, on Nickelodeon.
Yes.
Nickelodeon's Unfiltered.
And another truck right there, but it's really
It's
tiny.
like a miniature one. It's without the big thing on the end, but it still counts.
Yeah, that does.
See?
Oh, that's too early.
It's alright. I'm getting close to it. There we go. It's gonna have a big boom. Yay! It wasn't so big. I thought it was gonna be a big one.
I got that one too.
It was a little one. There goes a big truck getting on right now.
Hopefully I can get that one.
Yeah.
But I don't think I will be able to. I don't think I will. When we went down west a little bit, I saw it, and then we ended up going east now.
Really?
Yep, I saw it. So I knew the car knew knows where to go for trucks. It's been there many, many times.
Yeah. truck. He thinks not your kind of truck. This truck. He thinks he can go real fast. Woo! It's a Texas pick-em-up truck. He goes big wheels and he goes fast. It's a Texas pick-em-up truck. Pick 'em up. I love him, my own son.
I'm talking like a cowboy, y'all.
Yeah, dang right. I'm from Texas.
On the road, and that's cowgirl in the West.
Yeah. Best removal.
God, that's him, the wild van on the highway.
Yeah, my hand's falling off, Mama. I think we already got him.
No!
Oh no, that might be a different one.
Let me grab your heart.
Did you already get that guy? It says Everest on the back.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Anyway, we can't get him now.
Oh no, like way back there.
Can you see yourself in here?
Yes.
Okay, I can't tell if it's aimed at you or not. He'll be coming soon. Here he comes. Oh, and he slowed down again.
Oh, I'm not going the right speed.
No, we're only going 31.
I won't be.
Ooh, that's so pretty, that blue.
Well, it's been a very, very, very good day.
It has, and it's just all because you took a deep breath and thought of really good things earlier today.
Earlier?
Mm-hmm.
I thought of really good things earlier. What the heck?
I took... Looks nice. We need gas. I just noticed. God, I looked. Woo. Maybe I get in the light. So remember the other day when I did a whole video on birds? Well, I found all the birds in the world. Let's go look at them.
I found all the birds in the world.
Not really. Just a whole lot. So we'll start with...
There'll be all sorts of birds. There'll be lots and lots of parrots. All the parrots, all the pigeons, all the eagles, all the hawks, all the falcons, all the canaries, all the parakeets, all the crows, all the ravens, all the chickens. And there'll be a whole lot of birds.
Birds.
And there'll be way too many birds.
Birds. Look at them in the sky, Tanner.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about what a nightmare it would be if that happened.
Oh, they
All the birds in the world.
Yeah, if all the birds in the world were right here, that would be a nightmare. Let's go look at them right over here.
honk.
You hear honks from everywhere, don't you?
Another car horn. That was.
Oh, you didn't see me.
You were doing it?
Yes, I tried to get one for you. Look at the sunset. It's so pretty. The sky doesn't look real tonight. I like those colors a lot.
Oh no, like way back there.
Can you see yourself in here?
Yes.